Hi, everyone. My name is Mr. Kendrick. I will be your child's math teacher this year for either honors geometry, or calculus, or CCP calculus. This is my 23rd year teaching, 22nd year here at Midview. Love teaching math. Love seeing the times when kids get a chance to have success and that light kind of clicks on for them. So, um, looking forward to having all the kiddos in class this year and looking forward to working with my online kiddos. And you'll see on the slide here in the PowerPoint a lot of the programs that we're going to work with this year, from MathXL within Pearson, which is now called Savvis, I think, working with quizzes and using Remind to send different notifications out about quizzes, tests, homeworks, other important announcements. So those codes are there. Our Google Classroom codes are there. We'll post a lot of stuff, notes, homeworks, etc., on Google Classroom as well. So, and if you have any questions, or if your kids ever have any questions, all they need to do is just let me know or send me an email at bkendrick@miduk12.org. All right. Look forward to seeing you guys. Take care. Bye.